GE refrigerator model PSS28KYHFS error codes. GE profile 36-inch freestanding side-by-side refrigerator with 28.2 cubic feet capacity, 3 glass shelves, crisper drawer, ice maker, Energy Star certified, LED lighting in stainless steel. Error codes. Code FF. Problem: check frozen food for thawing because the temperature is rising too high. Code PF. Problem: the power to the refrigerator has been interrupted. Code C. Problem: check the ice maker for proper operation. Code D. Problem: the defrost system has not operated properly in the last 24 hours. Code CC. Problem: check the temperature controls because the temperature for the refrigerator is incorrect.